I'm Jason McCullough. I'm an electrical engineer with Armada Power, and I'm in charge of product design and manufacturing oversight. Armada is an energy management company. We make load control equipment for electric water heaters. We install these onto residential electric water heaters and control them in order to synchronize their power consumption with the needs of the electric grid. We needed somebody that could produce our design and could work with us on the sort of quantities and time frame that we needed to produce these. And coax has been a great fit for that. Coax sources all of the individual electronic components, things like resistors, capacitors, and circuit boards. They purchase that from all the different suppliers, then solder the boards together, and then also do the mechanical assembly where they put the circuit board into our enclosure, package everything up, apply the labels, run it through our test fixture, and then pack it in a box to ship to us. There are some components in our design that if I were to try to get them, it would take years to find, whereas coax has been able to source those for us. Coax has been able to deliver a significantly better price than the contract manufacturer we had been working with in the past, and we're also able to deliver much more quickly. And I'm really happy with working with coax. Build quality has been excellent. Our failure rate has been extremely low. Working with coax has made a significant improvement to our bottom line. Our pricing and our delivery time frame has improved greatly compared to the contract manufacturers that we've worked with in the past.